If you want to record slow motion video on Xiaomi 15 Ultra, then of course first we need to open the camera. Then in the camera we need to swipe up from this point here where we have video camera modes. So swipe up like this, and then you should be able to find slow motion here. So tap on this option, and this is how we can record a slow motion video. Over here in the top right corner we can change the resolution. The highest possible one is Full HD 1080p. And we can also change the amount of frames per second. The higher the amount, the slower the slow motion speed is. Of course, not every option allows you to record slow motion video all the time. For example, I believe from 960 frames per second onwards, so this one and 1920, you only have like several seconds that you can capture. However, with 480 and below, you should be able to record for pretty much as long as you wish. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.